Hey there, professionals. Mondays, they get a bad rap, right? But what if I told you that Mondays could be your secret weapon for success? Yep, you heard me right. Let's dive in and transform your Mondays from stress-inducing into success launching. First off, shift your perspective. Think of Monday as a fresh start, a clean slate. It's your weekly reset button. Use it to realign with your goals and set the tone for a productive week. Why do Mondays matter more than you think? Well, for starters, a strong Monday builds momentum. Tackling your most important tasks early on creates a ripple effect, giving you that sense of accomplishment that fuels the rest of your week. Next, the weekend gives you a mental break. Use that clarity to reassess your priorities and approach challenges with fresh insights. And don't forget, Monday is an opportunity for reflection. Look back at the previous week. What worked, what didn't? Use that info to adjust your strategies and keep making progress. Now let's talk practical strategies. First, plan ahead. Spend a little time on Friday afternoon or Sunday evening mapping out your week. Identify key priorities and schedule them. This way you hit Monday morning with a clear game plan. Prioritize ruthlessly. Use the Eisenhower matrix to focus on tasks that have the biggest impact. Embrace Eat the Frog. Tackle your most challenging task first thing in the morning. This frees up mental space and boosts your confidence. Schedule time for growth. Even if it's just 30 minutes, invest in your personal or professional development. Read, learn, or work on a passion project. Network intentionally. Use Monday to connect with colleagues or mentors. A quick email or virtual coffee chat can open up new opportunities. At the end of the day, reflect and adjust. What did you accomplish? What challenges did you face? Use this to refine your approach for the next week. And lastly, prioritize self-care. Take short breaks, stretch, grab a healthy snack. Keep your well-being in check to maintain focus and energy. So make every Monday count. Embrace the fresh start, seize the opportunity, and transform Mondays into your powerful tool for success. You've got this. All right, go out there and make this Monday your best one yet. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Now go out there and make your dreams a joyful reality.